Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at a knife. Nah, just kidding. We're actually going to take a look at a backpack that's a photography backpack and lightweight for getting up in the mountains and taking your camera gear with you. I think you're really going to love this product. This is called the Strohl Mountain Light 45-liter backpack by Moment. So let me grab the box. It's kind of big and I'll get it open and we'll try to show this in the video. I know it's kind of, let's see here. All right. A lot of packaging in here. Oh, there might be some cool accessories in here too. Alright, quite the cool unboxing experience there. Great packaging, environmentally friendly. These can be recycled. So got the cool Alex Strohl logo on here and also the Moment logo. If you haven't heard of Moment, they are a great online marketplace for camera equipment. And so if you're going out on adventures and you're taking your camera with you, definitely check them out. You can go to shopmoment.com. I'll put a link down in the description below and you can check out their website. I am an affiliate with Moment, and so I'll be recommending some new products over the next few months and leaving some affiliate links down in the comment below. So I really appreciate you using those links. It doesn't cost you anything else. Anything extra, but it helps me as a creator continue to make these free videos for you. So let's take a look at the bag itself first. So I'm just going to pull this open. Got the blue backpack here. Wow, this is awesome. I love these first look videos because I'm always so surprised at what's in the bag. So this is made from durable Cordura fabric. I don't know which level of Cordura this is, but we'll talk about that in the full review when I get a chance to use this bag. Nice tag here with the Moment and Alex Strohl Mountain Light tag here. This is the medium size. They do make a medium and a large. Well, let's see what else we've got here on this bag. Yeah, wow. Let's just unbuckle this. I like the way they buckled that together. It's got some nice shoulder straps here with these stretchy pockets. And there is a video that I'll link down in the description below that Alex Strohl did, and he talks about these pockets and how flexible they are. You can, stick a bar in there, or you can stick a flexible water bottle, things like that. But the design was taken from those running vests that you see. So pretty cool idea, and so I'm glad he thought of that. Let's see. Got a nice waist belt as well that's adjustable. You can see that, I'm not showing that in the camera. You can see that there's this stretchy material here, and so you can add attachments to that as well. I'll show you that in a minute. There is a pocket here. Very nice. Flip this over. Got this nice hook here for the top. And they call this top the brain. So this can be, added on or removed with these little clips. Pretty easy to take on and off, depending on what you've got. You'll notice that this fabric at the top is a roll top fabric. So depending on how much stuff you put in here, say you put 20 liters of items in here, then you can roll it up, strap down the brain or not even use the brain, and do that. So this is a super lightweight backpack, and it's listed at 2 pounds 6 ounces, so super lightweight, perfect for photography. You've got a pocket on the outside here too that you can slide a jacket into or whatever. You've also got water bottle pockets on the side, or you can also use that with the included straps for a tripod. If I turn this over, there's one thing that I forgot to mention, and that is this back panel that unzips. And this is one of the key features that I bought this pack for. Just all photography backpacks should have a back access panel. One thing I noticed right out of the bat is these zippers are kind of tough, right? They're not super smooth, so just something to note. I don't think it'll be a problem, but just wanted to mention that as in this first look video. And then you can put an internal camera unit in here, put your camera at the bottom of the bag here, and then you have quick and easy access to it here. So there is a top pocket as well. You can slide some memory cards in there or whatever. Yeah, so that looks like all the features on the bag. Again, I'll do a full review on this thing, get it out in the mountains. We'll take a high alpine hike with this thing with our camera, and we'll see how it performs out there. This material also is water resistant, so we'll give that a try as well. And let's go ahead and open this accessory pouch that I bought for it. Alex did not send me this. I did pay for this to support him. And let's see here. So we've got this camera loader here, and the reason I purchased this is because when you're up in the mountains in the high alpine, you want quick access to your camera. So you would keep your camera in the bottom of this bag in the internal camera unit while you're hiking, right? You're probably not going to be taking pictures while you're hiking that much, really. So from time to time you might pull it out or whatever. But when you get to the real juicy stuff that you want to photograph, you can actually put this and attach it using these straps to the waist belt. So it would actually sit on your waist like so. And then you can put your camera down in here. You know, if you got a 24-70 lens on it or whatever. There's a lot of packaging in here. But you can see how quick and easy that would be to access it while you're, you know, in those very important spots for taking pictures. So again, this is just a quick unboxing. We'll do a full review on this out in the mountains and show you exactly how this thing can be used. I'll leave some links down in the description below where you can check out a video from Alex Strohl talking about this pack. Maybe this pack is great for you if you like to get in the outdoors and take photos on your adventures. I think this is going to be a game changer for me, so I'm really excited about this pack. Right now, this pack is available for $200 on the Moment website, so go to shopmoment.com and check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description below, and again, I appreciate you using my links as it does help out the channel. Another way that you can help out the channel if you found value today is click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.